Hello students, how are you all? So today we will do class 9th maths. Yes, we will do class 9th maths, class 9 maths, exercise 2.2. So I have done exercise 2.2 question number and 2 already. 1 and 2 हम already कर चुके हैं. So in the description box you can get the link of that. Okay, as well as we have done introduction of this chapter, so you can get the link for that also. So let us move ahead. 2.2 question number 3. So let us see what is given in question number 3. Okay, here we have question number 3, NCERT book, exercise 2.2 question number 3. So what is given in the question? Verify whether the following zeros of the polynomial indicated against them. तो हमें ये बताना है कि जो हमें गिवन है क्या ये इसका जीरो है. पॉलिनोमियल क्या है हमारे पास? फर्स्ट पार्ट में वी हैव पॉलिनोमियल 3x plus 1 and I have to verify that whether x equal to minus 1 by 3 is zero of it or not. So let us check how to do that. एक बार चेक करते हैं कि कैसे हम इसे करेंगे. Yes. So how to verify it? Let us take 3 and instead of, we are doing verification for that. So instead of x, इस x की जगह पे हम क्या पुट करेंगे? Instead of this x, I will put minus 1 by 3. ठीक है? So we will write minus 1 by 3 here and then plus 1. So as we know that this minus 3 will be cancelled out by this 3 and then what left behind? Minus 1. Minus 1 and plus 1 will be equal to 0. So अगर polynomial की value अगर हमने p minus 1 by 3 find किया, okay, if this is px, अगर ये हमें px given है और हमने p minus 1 by 3 find किया जिसकी वैल्यू किसके इक्वल आ गई? 0 के इक्वल आ गई. So we can say that yes, minus 1 by 3 is 0 of px, यानी कि ये इसका 0 है. Okay, so let us see the next question. Next question में क्या given है देखते हैं. Here in the second part we have px is equal to 5x minus pi. और हमें वेरीफाई किसके लिए करना है? वी हैव टू वेरीफाई फॉर x इक्वल टू 4 by 5. ओके, एंड हाउ टू डू इट? सो लेट अस डू द वेरिफिकेशन. सो वेरिफिकेशन के लिए हम क्या करेंगे? वी विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ p 4 by 5. ठीक है, तो हमने क्या करना है? दिस x will be replaced by 4 by 5. ठीक है, तो ये वाले x की जगह भी 4 by 5 रखना होगा. So we will write it 5 into 4 by 5 minus pi. ठीक है, and what happened here? This 5 will be cancelled out. So as 5 is cancelled out, so we can write p 4 by 5 is equal to 4 minus pi. So here this implies p 4 by 5 is not equal to 0. So 4 by 5 is not 0 of px. 0 of px. So this is our second part. Okay. तो हमने कुछ नहीं किया, बस यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट की है x की और चेक किया है कि 0 के इक्वल आता है या नहीं आता है आंसर. लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. दिस इज द थर्ड पार्ट. तो यहाँ पे दो वैल्यूज दी हैं x की. सो फॉर वेरिफिकेशन लेट अस टेक फर्स्ट वैल्यू फर्स्ट. So for verification, we will take, instead of x, we will take this 1. So we can write it as 1 square minus 1. So P1 would be 1 minus 1 and P1 would be 0. So we can say that yes, 1 is 0 of Px. ठीक है. Now minus 1 के लिए भी हम same process करेंगे. We would like to find out P of minus 1. Then x will be replaced by minus 1. So minus 1 का square क्या होता है? Minus 1 का square होता है 1, है ना? So we will get 1 minus 1 again. It will be 0. So if P minus 1 is 0, so yes, minus 1 is also 0 of Px. 0 of Px. Okay. So in the third part, we have checked for minus 1 and plus 1 both. So for this polynomial, we have two zeros, minus 1 and 1. Okay, we have two zeros. This minus 1 is also the zeros क्योंकि यहाँ पे final answer हमारा 0 आया है इसकी value put करने पे. And here also we have 0. So minus 1 and 1 is the required zeros. This is the fourth part of this question. So for verification, we will take again two values of x. यहाँ पर भी दो values given है. कौन कौन सी दो values given है? Yes, I have minus 1 here. So by putting minus 1 instead of x, I will have minus 1 plus 1 and then minus 1. This is minus 1 minus 2. So P minus 1 will be 0, multiply minus 1 and that is equal to 0 only. तो पहले केस में तो हमारे पास आंसर आ गया 0. So we can say that yes, minus 1 is the 0 of Px. So here I can check if I put 2. अगर मैं यहाँ पे x की जगह पे 2 पुट करती हूँ, then what happen? I get 2 plus 1 and 2 minus 2 and the final answer will be 0. So yes, 2 is the 0 of Px. 2 is the 0 of Px should be written here. Px. ठीक है? So let us take the next part. So here I can see fifth part में क्या है? Px equal to x square and value of x equal to 0. So if we take P0, then we have to write 0 square here. So 0 multiplies 0 will be 0 always, है ना? 0 square का मतलब 0 multiplies 0. So P0 equal to 0. Hence we can say that 0 is the 0 of Px. ठीक है? 0 of Px. Now come to the next. If we take P minus m upon L, ठीक है, x की जगह पे m upon L पुट किया, so L into minus m upon L plus m. So this L will be cancelled out and we will get minus m plus m. तो minus m plus m क्या होगा? 0 हो जाएगा. So we can say that yes, minus m upon L is 0 of the polynomial. Okay. So this is our fifth and sixth part. So seventh and eighth part may be same thing you have to do for the seventh part and eighth part. So I am leaving these two parts for you people. Let us go to the next question. So what is given in the next question? See, find the 0. हमें क्या करना है? 0 find करना है. Find the 0 of the polynomial in each of the following case. So first part, what is first part? First part is given Px is equal to x plus 5. ठीक है? And our second part is, now this is first and second part. तो कैसे हम किसी भी polynomial के लिए 0 find करेंगे? To find 0 of the polynomial, I can say to find to find 0 of px, है ना? What we will do, we will take px is equal to 0. px को हमने 0 पुट किया. Then we will take x plus 5 equal to 0 and x will be equal to minus 5. So this is our required answer. X equal to minus 5 is our required polynomial. Same here. To find 0 of px, अगर मुझे px के 0 फाइंड करने हैं, then what I will do, I will put px equal to 0. मैं px को ही 0 पुट करूंगी. Then px की वैल्यू कितनी है? x minus 5. x minus 5 will be equal to 0, so x will be 0 plus 5, and 0 plus 5 will always be equal to 5. So yes, I can say that x equal to 5 is the solution for the second part. So by the same way, we can find out the zeros of the rest parts. So let us see what is given in the rest part. Yes, here we have third part 2x plus 5. So third part में आपको given है 2x plus 5 and fourth part में 3x minus 2. Okay. So to find 0 of px, हम क्या करेंगे? px को 0 पुट करेंगे यहाँ पे. So what is given? px की वैल्यू क्या given है? 2x plus 3. So if 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, this implies 2x is equal to plus 3 उधर जाके क्या हो जाएगा? ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा and it will be minus 3. Then 2x, then 2 will transpose there and we can write x equal to minus 3 by 2. So what is the required 0 here? X equal to 3 by 2 is the required 0 for this question. Now come to the next. So to find 0 here, what we will do? Again we will do at 3x equal to 0. So we will write 3x minus 2 equal to 0. And this implies 3x is equal to 2. So yes, we can do x equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So we can say that yes, here we can have x equal to 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is the 0 for px. Okay. So here we have done third and fourth part. So let us see what is given in the rest part. What is given in the rest part? Fifth part, 3x. So in the fifth part we have 3x. Okay. And in the sixth part px equal to ax. Okay. So let us see how to do this question. If we have px equal to 3x and we will put px equal to 0, then our 3x will be equal to 0 and x will be equal to 0 upon 3, है ना? So it will be 0 only. So we can say that 0 of px यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Is 0. Here is also the same. To find out 0, we have to put px equal to 0. Instead of px, we have to take ax. So x will be 0, or we can say that x will be equal to 0 upon a, and value of 0 upon a will be 0 only. So hence we can say that 0 of px is 0. 0 of px is 0 here. So by the same way we can do the rest part. Okay. So we can do the rest part as well. So if you like the video, please press the like button here, and if you want each and every video I will upload, then subscribe this channel and turn on the notification, then you will get each and every uploaded video. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.